All right, you won this one. Come on out. Soldier, how did you get that close to me?
Sniper! Approach the instructor by being a sneaky bastard!
Hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers, Blowers, and Guns. How you guys doing this morning? It's been a while since I made a video on my gun channel. Since my last trip to Calverton shooting range, we had another great time. So far, I went to Calverton 5 times this year, and every time it's been fantastic, with the exception of the middle one, where it was so damn hot that you almost passed out, you know? There's no cover over at the range. So you're out there like in the middle of the desert or something like that, and when it's hot like that, it's just not enjoyable, you know what I mean? But my last trip there, loads of fun. As you guys recall from a previous episode, maybe a month or two before September, which was the announcement of the Russian ammo sanctions ban, where they will no longer allow Russian ammo to come into the United States for sale. So that was like September something or other, where the ban went into place, right? And right before that, unbeknownst to me, I had ordered 1,000 rounds of Wolf ammunition from Steel City, I believe, ammo. And I paid 38 cents a round for that batch of steel-cased Wolf. So I thought that was going to be the last good deal I was going to get for 223 steel-case ammo from Russia because of the sanctions on the ammunition. And sure enough, once the announcement came out, you saw all the ammo suppliers around the country raise their prices from like 38 cents to like 50 cents for steel case. You know what I mean? Well, if I'm going to pay 50 cents for steel case, I'll pay 54 cents or 53 cents for brass. And you could find deals out there, whether it be 5.56 or .223 calibers. So today is October 28th. Yesterday was my birthday. I'm 53. I got a great present in the mail yesterday, October 27th. I thought that was the end of it. That was the last batch of cheap Wolf Russian 223 ammo. Well, recently on a site called Velocity Ammo, which I ordered actually my first bulk case of ammunition, I think it was 9mm, a long time ago, probably 5 months ago. I bought it from Velocity Ammo. They were one of the first places that I found would ship to Suffolk County, Long Island. That's where I live. I don't know about Nassau County, which is still Long Island, but it's the county right before Queens, New York City. So when it gets close to New York City, people are a little weary about sending it there. But in Suffolk County, I have about a dozen places that will ship to New York. Yes, some of my friends tell me, stop telling everybody, man. That's less ammo for us to buy. I'm like, listen, I'm a New Yorker. I'm going to share this information with all my boys out there that want to shoot cheap ammo. You know what I mean? Share. I'm not selfish like that. Unless like this was the last case, then I wouldn't tell anybody. But anyway, so I was looking on Velocity, and they had 1,000 rounds of the same Wolf 223 steel case ammo for $365.99, right? And then my friend and I were talking about it, and wow, that's almost as cheap as before the ban sanctions. You know what I mean? Maybe I should buy some. He's like, no, it's going to go down. It's all going to go down. And I kind of believe that. I think the ammo is going to go down, you know? As long as you leave it on the shelves and you don't jump at every deal you see, right? Leave it there. Let it sit for a while. I bet you they'll lower prices and then you'll get a better deal. You know what I mean? Sure enough, like 3-4 hours later, my buddy Nameless, he texts me, he says, hey, they just dropped it $10 to $359.99 with free shipping. Now, Velocity does charge tax. There are some that don't charge shipping and don't charge tax, but they'll raise the price a little bit to coincide with the final value, you know? So, like I said, last time my 1,000 rounds were about 38 cents a round. This ended up to be 39 cents a round. Not bad at all. I'll buy it. So I did it. It was $355.99 plus $30 in tax. New York State tax is 8.625. So about 30 bucks added onto that. So at the end, I think I paid like $3.90 or something, you know? So 39 cents around. I paid $1.69 for the discrete packaging and shipping insurance. I bought it because it was only $1.69 for the insurance. It's a no worry kind of deal, you know what I mean? Sometimes if you don't buy that insurance, you're going to spend months fighting with the guy to try to get your money back, or for them to make reparations on the damage or the lost ammo or something like that. Then you got to make a claim with the shipping company, whatever. It's just a lot of headache for $1.69. $1.69, if something happens to your ammo, they're going to replace it. You know what I mean? So let's open the box. Like I said, a discreet package. Last time I got my Wolf ammo, it was from Steel City, and I didn't buy the discrete packaging or the insurance, so it came in the original Velocity box. Like the box said, Velocity and Wolf ammunition. You know, it's visible to any nut out there that wants to steal your ammo. They know what it is. Of course, if you look at the box, right, it has this insignia. You have to have this insignia on the box for the shipper, so that they know they're shipping ammunition. So you're gonna know anyway. Anyway, so last time from Steel City, it came just like that in this box, and it says Wolf Performance Ammunition. So this is 1,000 rounds, 223 Remington, made in Russia. So how effective is that ammunition ban or weapons ban from Russia? It's almost November, and here I am sitting here with a box of Russian ammo. What ban? Are you guys crazy? There ain't no ban. And while I thought the prices would go up because of the ban, because you'll never see a box of Russian ammo again, right? Not true. Here I am sitting here, almost November, almost a month after the ban started, and here I am sitting here with cheap ammo, 39 cents a round for 223, 1,000 rounds. Go figure, right? So there's a big talk about, hey Henry, do you like steel case? Well, I'm cheap, so yes, I like steel case. I only go and shoot at the range. There's no zombies coming down my street. There's no invasion from another country. The only times that the U.S. has ever been invaded by a foreign country is Pearl Harbor in 1942, right? And then 9/11. Those are the only two times that foreign actors attacked our country. So the chances are really low that we're gonna have a war with another country, and while they come over here and mess with us, you know what I mean? Also militias. I'm in New York State. There's not too many militias. I'd worry about Michigan, but New York State is okay. So I don't foresee anybody coming over to mess with me, and in my entire lifetime, I haven't had a home invasion before. You know what I mean? Well, speaking of that, I have something I need to show you. I got this from my mom's house. Never mind the dog, beware the owner. Anyway, so, where was I? Wolf 223. Oh, yeah. There's people talking about steel case versus brass. Obviously, brass is better for your gun, right? But if you want to pay 55 cents for shooting paper, go right ahead. It's your money. That's 14 cents more than what I paid. I know, I'm Asian. My math should be better. 16 cents more. You want to pay 16 cents more per round? You ready? Let's put that in perspective, okay? Let's say you go to the range and you shoot like 250 rounds, right? Each of these is going to be 16 cents more than what I paid. So if you want to go and buy brass, go right ahead. It's your money, right? Ready? 16 cents. 16 cents. 16 cents. 16 cents. Times that by 250. How much more did you just spend than I did shooting at the same paper on the same range? Does your gun shoot steel case? It should. If it doesn't, go fix your gun. You know what I mean? Yes, because it's steel case, the steel is going to be a little bit harder metal than brass, right? Brass is softer, just by a little, you know what I mean? It's like aluminum or something like that. It's even harder than aluminum, I believe. So you could have problems with your extractor or your firing pin. I mean, if you think about the barrel, it shouldn't make any difference because the bullet itself is going through the barrel, not the shell. The shell is the only thing that's steel, you know what I mean? So maybe your feed ramps might be a little bit more worn than if you use brass, but we're talking about a tremendous amount of firing, you know, to make any kind of molecular difference. I mean, you'd have to shoot like 50,000 rounds a year. And look, if you're competitive enough to shoot 50,000 rounds a year, right, you're rich or you're a competition shooter, and that's your livelihood, shooting guns, right? Well, that's not me. I'm just our average Joe Schmo that goes to the range every month or so, you know what I mean? And shoot 250 rounds. So shooting steel case, as long as your gun shoots it just fine, who cares? But if you're one of those dudes sitting in your basement and you think you're G.I. Joe or whatever, right? You've got like a $5,000 AR-15 setup, right? Yeah, if you've got that kind of OCD, well, go ahead. Pay 55, 60 cents for a round of brass. For me, if I'm just your regular occasional shooter, you know, 39 cents is just fine for me. Anyway, this is a great deal. I think so, especially when there's a Russian ammo ban out there, right? I don't really think that there is, because look, I'm sitting here with 1,000 rounds of Russian ammo, and I didn't pay 50-something cents for it. I paid 39 cents. So go figure. And if you guys want to check out Velocity Ammo, I don't get paid by them. I don't even get a discount from those guys. But I like to share the wealth from my fellow New Yorkers. And look, if you guys live in another part of the country, right, you don't need to go to Velocity. The only people that should care about Velocity Ammo is people in New York State. And look, I live in Suffolk County. If you guys live in Suffolk County, this is my second or third shipment of ammo from Velocity, and they'll ship right to your door. Right to your door. No FFL. I'm pretty stoked. I told my friend Nameless I would split a case with him because that's just the kind of guy I am. I'll always ask my buddy if he wants to split it with me, especially when a good deal comes. And he said no, he wants to try that MaxTech stuff. So we're going to wait until that MaxTech stuff goes down. I think it's like 45 cents right now. We're going to wait until it goes down to below 40 cents a round for us to buy some MaxTech. Something about the coating on the outside. It looks really smooth. But anyway, so 50 boxes of 20, it's heavy, of Wolf ammunition. I'm pretty stoked. Anyway, so that's my take on steel versus brass. I'm not an expert. It's just my personal opinion. You guys can take it as you want. But I wanted to show you my unboxing and review of this Russian ammo that's supposedly banned. There ain't no ban, guys. If you just go online, you'll see that everybody's selling Tula and Wolf ammo, MaxTech, Barnold, all the Russian ammo. It's out there. People are selling it. And maybe a month ago, it was pretty expensive, over 50 cents, just below 50 cents. But now you'll find it for less than 40 cents. Pick it up if you can, because here in New York State, they don't have a database or anything that they want to put in place yet, because the state has no money, so they're not going to spend that on a database, right? So as of now, you can just freely buy ammo from a store here in Long Island. No ID, no background check. Just buy it like a chocolate bar over the counter, you know what I mean? Which is great. Buy all you can right now before they put into place a requirement where you need to show an ammo card or a background check kind of a thing just to buy ammo. You know what I mean? Like they do in states like Chicago and some other place, Connecticut. You need some kind of card or identification or a background check first before you can buy ammunition, which is completely preposterous. Anyway, that's my take on today's video. Hope you enjoyed the update. We'll see you guys next time on Mowers, Blowers, and Guns. Thank you for watching Mowers, Blowers, and Guns. I love you. We'll see you next time. Hey, I'm Henry from Mowers and Blowers. As a YouTuber that deals with small engine equipment on a daily basis, I worry about the harmful effects of the 10% ethanol that's in your unleaded gas from your gas station. Here on the East Coast, as winter nears, I think about storing my summer lawn equipment for the winter. Ethanol absorbs moisture, and what it does is it could rust or corrode and clog up your jets in your carburetor. That's why I use Ethanol Safeguard with stabilizers from my friends over at Lucas Oil Products. Before you store your machines, a little bit of Lucas goes a long way. When you're ready to use your machines again, fire right up! Hey, if you guys enjoyed the video, remember to give me a like. Also, comment below. Subscribe. Remember, it doesn't cost anything to subscribe. It's free, right? Also, hit that little bell. That way you'll get post notifications whenever there's a new video and you won't miss out on any of them. Remember to follow my Instagram and Facebook, as well as if you'd like to donate $1 or $2, paypal.me/mowersandblowers. Really appreciate all the support. Also, to keep the videos coming every day, support the channel. Bye.